Say what, Chico? What?
Let's play Thomas.
We already played Thomas.
No, it is for the video.
Oh, for the video? But say hello to Sydney. Say hello, Sydney. I'm taking it for Sid. Say hello, Chick. Now he's shy. Hey, Rishi. Say hello. Can you say hello? No, I'm video cameraing you. Look at. Say hello. Say. Can you say hello, Sydney?
Sydney.
Yeah. Good, Rishi.
And Chico, you also say.
How do you say hello, Rocky? Can you say
Hello, Rocky.
say hello, Rocky?
Rocky.
Rocky, good.
Okay, now you say Chico, hello, Sydney, hello, Rocky.
Hello, Rocky.
Hello, Sydney.
Laugh.
I'm laughing at you.
Rocky.
Rishi, are you having fun?
And Sydney, it was her birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Rishi, say happy birthday.
The 11th of March.
Happy day.
Mind the
Happy birthday. Tom, say hello.
Hi, sir.
Rains.
Hey, Sydney.
I'm-
Happy birthday. Miss having you with us on the dial. Come back next time. Don't forget to bring your baby sister along. Take you to all the joys.
All the hot spots.
All the hot spots.
This
I
time.
really miss you now, maybe in the States.
Say bye, Rishi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, Rishi.
Say bye.
Bye, love. Oh.